Now see, let's move ahead. Gender equality. Gender equality means there is no difference between the gender, like boys and girls, men's and women's. Now see, boys and girls or men and women's are equal as human being. We all are human being, right? Girls and boys also human being, men and women, we are human beings. So there is no difference between girls and boys and men and women. Considering boys and girls to be equal without discrimination is called gender equality. So underline this. Considering boys and girls to be equal without discrimination is called gender equality. Discrimination means different. Okay. So without considering boys and girls means without making different between boys and girls, and considering boys and girls to be equal. Boys and girls, men and women are all equal. Give equal treatment to girls and boys. So without considering, without discrimination, girls and boys in gender is called gender equality. So there is no difference between girls and boys, or that all are equal as a human being. Boys and girls must respect one another, means boys and girls should respect each another. So in the company of our friends, we consider all of them to be equal. We must mention this sense of equality as citizen when we grow up. When we will grow up, no? When we will grow up as an adult, no? So we are a responsible citizen of India. So we must mention this sense of gender equality. We should give treatment girls and women as a equal treatment like boys and women. Now see, student, in olden days, no? In olden days, the people used to think that girls should not be educated. So just they are thinking girls should not be educated, just they have to do household work. Girls have no right to education. Girls were given secondary status in olden days. People are differentiating between the boys and girls. But nowadays there is no discrimination between girls and boys. We can able to see in every field, like doctor, engineer, in every field we can see the girls and boys are there. And so we should not discriminate between the gender, like girls and boys and men and women. We all are equal. We should give equal treatment to all of you. So by developing this sense of equality in us, everyone get to learn and make progress by the cooperating with each others, and by developing this sense in our mind, we can progress as society, we can progress our country. Food, clothes, shelter, health and education are common need. It is a basic need are for human being. What is that? Food, clothes, shelter, health and education are the common need, and it is a basic need for men also and women also. For the purpose of equality, each of this need must be fulfilled properly. We should fulfill this this basic need properly, like food, clothing, shelter, health and education. Men and women have equal treatment, equal rights to facilitate such as this. Similarly, men and women must get equal opportunity to progress. We should give opportunity men and women equal to get progressed in their career. Okay, so there is no discrimination between the girls and boys. There is no discrimination between gender. So we should develop the sense of gender equality, and we are a great citizen of the India, and we should develop this sense of equality. So there is no difference between the girls and women. All are equal. We should treat equally to them. Okay, so in this way this lesson is finished. What we learn in this lesson? So in this way, in lesson number 5, families value, we learn in decision making every family members role is important. When we whenever we take any decision, when we ask to each and every person of their opinion, so due to that each person get opportunity to speak in front of the all members, and they can put their opinion, and the family members will become happy. Everyone opinion is value, and subject can discuss from every aspect. And family our family will learn love, care, affection towards each other. And there is some social value we have to follow, we should follow, that is honesty, cooperation, tolerance, and gender equality. By following this social value, we can progress of our society. So in this way the lesson is finished. We will see in the next week with next topic. Good day student. Bye bye.